Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into the Gotu app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Gotu app by Tempimi is designed for dental professional hygienist, assistant, and dentist to pick up temp shift on their own schedule. It lets you browse open shift, set your own availability and rate, and also get paid weekly, which is a big plus if you want a flexibility and control over your work. However, user review mentioned frequent app crashes, slow shift acceptance, and glitchy license upload. Some also complain about tough support and missing tax documentation. So in my opinion, if you really want to use this, the Gotu is worth using. If you are a dental pro looking for flexible extra or part-time work, but don't rely on its exclusive unless you are okay dealing with some instability. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more app review.